In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a tour request on Zillow desktop. To get started, open a desktop browser and go to Zillow.com. Use the search bar to look up the home or rental you want to see by entering an address, a zip code, or the name of the area. Browse the results and click the specific listing you're interested in. This opens the property's details page where you'll see photos, price, a description, and a map. Take a moment here to make sure it's the right place and that the details match what you're expecting before moving on. On the listing page, look for a button that says Request a Tour or Schedule a Tour. You'll usually find it near the top of the page, close to the price or the contact section, or sometimes just below the photo gallery. Click that button to begin setting up your request. If you don't see it, the listing may not currently offer tours or may be temporarily unavailable, but when it is visible, this is the quickest way to connect with the person handling showings. After you click Request a Tour, Zillow will prompt you to enter your contact information, typically your name, phone number, and email address. Make sure everything is accurate so the agent or property manager can reach you without delays. You'll also be able to choose your preferred date and time for the tour. Some listings show a calendar with available slots, while others let you type a preferred window. If there's a notes field, keep your message short and relevant, like confirming your availability or asking a simple question about the property. Once you've filled in your information and selected a date and time, click Submit or a similar button to send the request. Zillow forwards it directly to the listing agent, property manager, or a Zillow partner agent who helps coordinate tours. You may see an on-screen confirmation right away indicating that your request was sent. Now, wait for confirmation. You'll generally receive an email or message with the next steps. The agent or property manager may reach out to confirm your tour, finalize details, or suggest alternatives if your chosen time isn't available. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam folder just in case. Be ready to respond quickly so your time can be secured. That's it. You've successfully requested a tour through Zillow on desktop. Follow these steps each time you find a property you'd like to see, and you'll be set to schedule efficiently and stay organized.